Hi everyone, this is Dani Hoyo. We are in Sing Padel in Singapore, and today we are gonna explain how to do the backhand in padel. In the last video we explained how to do the forehand and how important are the basics in padel. If you want to know why it's so important to work on the basics, you can go here or here to check the previous video, and you will see how important is the basics. I would like to transmit you my love for the backhand shots. It's when I see someone doing one good basic backhand, or when I see someone doing one good backhand volley, it's like really beautiful shot. It's one shot that all our bodies involved. Oh, it's like classic music. It's like poesía. How do you say? Poesía. ¿Cómo se dice, hermano? It's like very poetic. It's like oof, but really good feelings with that. When someone is hitting really good backhand shots, it's like you can hear. And you hear? In the other way, when you see someone hitting like like the sound is better, the other sound is much better. We will analyze the backhand, working on the grip and the preparation, the impact point and the ending of the backhand. Okay, first of all, we will take the hammer grip, okay, continental grip, okay. We arrive to the end and then we close the hand. Depends of the level of the players. If your level is too high, we can close a bit the grip and will be easier to play with some top spin, because our goal when we are on the defense, as we explained in the last video, is if this is the net and we are here on the defense, our goal is to make the ball goes below the level of the net. So if we play with this grip and that's the ball, we will be able to involve the ball in this sense and will be easier for us to make the ball goes down. Same done in our forehand. Our basics should go all the time with butter, okay, with chocolate in the shot. Is we cannot play rigid. No, we should play all the time, okay, like not with tension in our body. This is one thing that when we are starting playing padel, it's difficult to play longer and softer shots, but when we are improving, when we are getting better, it's one thing that we need to find the balance between rigid shots, because we need to be compact when we play padel, but at the same time we should be like dancing with the ball all the time. We know we will start in start position, in the middle of our side, and from the start position we will start with the preparation of the shot. Preparation. When we see the ball is coming to our backhand, we will put the side position and we will pull back the racket back to our pocket. Yeah, it's really important to do this movement with our shoulder. Sometimes when we are doing this preparation, we use our elbow. If we bend our elbow, then we will tend to extend our elbow, and that's not the correct movement. We will find cutting the ball and the movement will be from up to down, and that's not good. It's very important to be conscious about the elbow. It's very important to keep our wrist up and make the movement with our elbow. In this way, okay, we will see the ball in front of us, and then we will be able to do what we said, like we will dance with the ball, okay? It's really important when we are ready and we are adjusting our feet to run to the ball, to don't miss the preparation. Sometimes if our backhand is not really solid, when we do the preparation and we are adjusting your feet, we are missing the racket position and we are going up with the racket. So it's very important when we are running to take one ball to keep the racket down. You will see that if you have control in the preparation, then the rest of the shot will be much easier. Sometimes when we are doing the same, if we are preparing, we are with the racket up and then we finish doing another shot, okay? I call this shot like to cut bamboo in the jungle. We need to keep doing classic music, okay? Dancing with the ball. Let's say we are defending, the opponent is putting pressure to us and we do the preparation, but the ball is arriving here. It's as soon as possible we will do the preparation and then we will be able to move. We cannot go and in the last second do action reaction movement. No, as soon as possible, prepare, we move, and then we will shot. So the preparation, we know, is the most important part of the shot. If the preparation is wrong, is late, is not good, the rest of the shot for sure will be not good. Another important thing on the preparation, okay, is when we are pulling back, okay, we are using our not dominant arm. In my case, my left hand, and I'm pulling back. In this movement, my right arm, I'm not making any effort. So it's my left hand that is pulling back the racket, and in this way I will push with the other hand. So this one is pulling, this one is pushing. That is really important. And you will say, okay, and when I have to leave the other hand? So now we are gonna talk about the impact point. So when we are ready, when we adjust our feet, and when we are ready to hit, I can help myself by the other hand to start pushing a bit, but when I'm arriving to my belly button, I will open my both hands at the same time. Doing this, okay, we will create some tension in our chest, and we will get some energy. Once we did the preparation of the racket and the side position, we adjust our feet, and we are waiting to hit the ball in the good timing. Okay, we need to know when we have to hit the ball, here, 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 here. Okay, let's say my arm, it's already extended. Okay, it's I will move my arm, and I will need to find the balance between not hitting too close of me, because if I start here and I hit here, I don't have enough strength. Don't hit too far, because if not, I will not have too much distance to finish the shot. Okay, so we should hit on the middle. If your shot is like this distance, okay, we will start here, we will hit the ball in the middle of the space, and we will finish the shot. So we need to do always a long shot. We will hit in front of you in one position that you feel comfortable. As we said in the previous video, working on the forehand, okay, when we have to hit the ball, we need to help us by the other parts of our body. Yeah, not only we hit with our arm, because the shot will be like very rigid. We should use our body, our knees, our hip, our core, our shoulders, okay, and then we will get one really clean shot. So when we see the ball in front of us, we will be ready, okay, and connecting all our body, we will do like, we will dance at the end. We will be dancing with the ball, and it's the most important thing should be to keep the body with some harmony. Okay, it's if I'm using only my arm, I will get disaligned. If I use a lot of power with my arm, then I will miss the balance of my body. I will start opening my both arms. Okay, but I don't need to do very exaggerate. We can start doing, okay, more or less relax. When we know how to open our arms, okay, we can start transition the balance of our body from the neutral position to forward, and we will try to do this at the same time. The most difficult thing is to do this when we are competing, or when we are matched, when we are under pressure. If you are really struggling with this, I recommend you to talk with your coach, to take some lessons, and to invest some time working in your backhand, because at the end of the match, we are receiving too many balls to the backhand, and if you don't feel comfortable with your backhand or with your forehand, so your game will not be solid, and you will not feel really good playing paddle. Please, gentle reminder, when we are playing the backhand, please make sure that we are hitting all the time flat. Please stop playing with backspin from up to down, cutting the ball, because we'll be very risky in a long term. I recommend you always take the habit of hit flat, forehand and backhand in both shots. And about the ending, we are ready, we hit the ball in front of us. So when we want to finish the shot, we will make the shot really long. And at the end of the shot, we can involve the ball, we can close the face of the racket a bit to make the ball dive. Okay, make the ball go down after the net. So you can see the difference. If I am ready, I hit the ball in front, but I stop the shot, not good. Okay, so I should make it longer. you see that when we hit using all our body, opening a bit, like starting compact and then finishing really big, it's like it's a really, really beautiful shot. Oh, what do you think? What do you think? Put in the comments, what do you think? And now I'm gonna show you the whole shot. Okay, you will see how is the preparation, how is the impact point, how is the ending, and how I prepare ready for the next shot. Okay, as you can see, when the ball is coming, my preparation is already ready, and I don't have to do like one action reaction, action reaction. That is really difficult to control. As I said, the most important part of the shot is the preparation. If we don't pay attention on the preparation and we don't prepare the shot in advance, then the rest of the shot will be really difficult to control. Okay, yeah. Ball coming, I'm ready. Ball coming, I'm ready. Ball coming, I'm ready. After the preparation or at the same time, I can be adjusting my feet and then look how I'm opening my left hand and I'm creating some tension and I'm getting some power from here. Okay. If you are watching this part of the video, thanks so much for wait until the end of the video. Please, if you are not subscribed, subscribe, and you will be supporting me to keep creating this content. And please press like. If you have any doubts about your paddle or something, you can put in the comments, and I will try to help you. And please do music with your backhand and don't cut bamboo because when we do this shot, it's not really good. So please, classic music always, not cutting bamboo. See you in the next video. Cutting bamboo.